Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Create a single main config file at ~. config/kitty/kitty. Conf when you start. Keep all persistent settings in this file for easy management. Use include other. Conf lines to split settings into logical files for clarity. Group font, color, and key mappings into separate files for reuse. Test changes by restarting Kitty to apply changes or by using the remote control command when available. Keep backups of your config using version control to track edits and restore quickly. Define font family and font size 14 to control text rendering precisely. Adjust bold font and font features Liga to enable ligatures and stylistic features. Configure cursor shape and cursor blink duration to match your preference for visibility. Load colors with include base colors. Conf or run Kitty plus kitten themes to generate and preview theme presets quickly. Set background opacity to 0. 9 for slight transparency without losing readability. Save chosen theme lines to your define key mappings using map followed by modifiers and a command string. For example, map control plus shift plus t-launch type equals tab to open a new tab quickly. Configure default window opacity and background to control translucency across layouts. Choose layout tiled or mosaic to arrange windows automatically for efficient workflows. Enable GPU to accelerate rendering and set experimental feature flags conservatively for stability. Use Kitty remote control commands to programmatically change layouts, send input, and manage windows remotely during automation tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.